So before starting the vlog, let's have a quick look on this very amazing place in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. तो कैसा लगा ये डेमो? Hello everyone, my name is Purnima and welcome back to my cute little channel once again, and today we are at a very special place in Odisha. Welcome to Kala Bhumi, or Odisha's Crafts Museum. In just 10 rupees you can see the soul of Odisha or Utkala. क्या आप अभी भी सोच रहे हो कि ये क्या है? So it's an extraordinary museum in Bhubaneswar which was inaugurated in 2018 by Naveen Patnaik, the Chief Minister of Odisha. And this is dedicated to the arts and crafts of Odisha. Also, this museum is spread across 12 acres of land approximately, which is huge. Divided into 2 blocks, the museum has a display area and a live section. In total, there are 9 galleries, out of which 8 are public. तो चलिए चलते हैं एक एक गैलरी में और दिखाते हैं आपको क्या है ये अद्भुत कला। तो ये है एक बढ़िया सा ओडिशा का हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स मैप। गो टू द फर्स्ट गैलरी विच इज टेराकोटा गैलरी। टेराकोटा मतलब बर्न्ट क्ले, नाम तो सुना ही होगा। इट इज कॉल्ड मृतिका इन ओडिया। दीज क्राफ्ट्स आर earthy, strong and extremely attractive when painted. You can also say terracotta is the new form of pottery, which literally means baked earth, has evolved as a craft from the art of making earthenware pots and utensils, and other such items meant for indoor and outdoor decoration and utility products. Let's go to the next gallery, which is traditional paintings and one of my favorites. These are called Pattachitra paintings. Pattachitra is a traditional cloth-based painting. It is mostly known for its intricate details as well as mythological narratives and folk tales inscribed in it. Pattachitra is one of the ancient artworks of Odisha, originally created for ritual use and as souvenirs for pilgrims to Puri as well as other temples in Odisha. The themes of Pattachitra painting is also classified into many categories like Ramayana, Bhagavad, Jagannath and also the Krishna Leela. What amuses me the most is this palm leaf painting. Isn't it amazing? And most of the paintings are made by the talented people in Raghurajpur village in Puri. You can find more details in my description box. Now let's move to the third gallery, which is stone and wood carving. Doors from traditional households made of wood render a vibe of antiquity to this gallery. There are stone banana tree, stone artifacts showcase, and also fragments collected from the ruins of ancient temples. You can also see wooden doors, palanquins and wooden panels. After enjoying this beautiful live performance, let's go to the Metal Crafts Gallery. Again, this is one of my favorites too. These are dokra or dokra brass crafts, mostly tribal jewelries and musical instruments and weapons. You can also find a lot of silver filigree work, which is very famous in Cuttack, my city. It is called Tarakasi work, which you can also see in Durga Puja pandals in Cuttack. Then comes the fifth gallery, which is Natural Material Crafts Gallery. This also boasts of a wide variety of natural resources. The instinct of our women folk in rural regions to not let any materials go waste has resulted in the invention of crafts such as paddy work, betel nut carving, she cell craft, cow dung toys and what-not. This which you see is called Solla Karigari. These are just few which I saw, and if you are a fan of arts and crafts, then this museum is gonna blow your mind. What I loved most about the museum is the outside area of this museum is also giving you a tribal vibe. Let's go to our next gallery, which is Pre-Weaving Techniques Gallery. Mulberry silk, tussar silk, cotton, we all use these terms when we buy silk, but do we know how this is prepared? The transformation of strands of thread to brilliant folds of clothes can be seen in this section. You can see the walls of this gallery are lined with garlands of cocoons and different colors of fabric woven from mulberry, eri, peduncle, tussar silk, etc. Definitely spare a moment to see the pictorial representation of the pre-weaving stages because it has all kind of machines you need to know about. Next one is the Tribal Crafts Gallery. An exquisite collection of ornaments, dresses, tools, household objects, jewelries and the crafts showcased in the gallery. You can relish the captivating cultural traditions of many ethnic groups residing in far-off mountains across Odisha over here. You can see some tribal textiles, hunting weapons, tribal jewelry, worshipping items, some musical instrument and weapons as well. The staff and the pathways are excellent. It can automatically guide you so that you go to the galleries one by one. So the next gallery is the Crafts of Sri Jagannath Culture Gallery. Before that, you will find the illustrated wooden back support of the three chariots of Rath Yatra, that is Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra. So in this Jagannath gallery, you can find all the attires of Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra. In Odia, we call it Hathi Besa, Padma Besa, Gajanana Besa, etc. You can also see the different fabrics used for different rituals of Lord Jagannath as well as the rope used to pull the chariot in Rath Yatra. Most interesting section, you can see the Arunastamba replica over here which you see in front of the Puri temple in Lions Gate. The paintings here show Snana Yatra and Chapakhela, which are major rituals of Lord Jagannath. And you can see these are extremely intricate work and extremely beautiful. Then comes the last gallery, which is Handloom Gallery. Even if you haven't heard Odisha for handloom, you must have heard the term Sambalpuri. Yes, Odisha is very famous for its vibrant designs and fabrics of sari. You can see saris like Ikat Sari, Nuapatna Textile, Sonpur Textile, Baragarh Textile, Sambalpuri Textile and Khandua Odhani, etc. Every sari has a story, from the collection of raw materials to the creation of fabric and vibrant designs.
तो ये जो कला भूमि है काफ़ी बड़ा है और यहाँ पे ओडिशा का जितना भी आर्टिक्राफ्ट एंड हैंडीक्राफ्ट सब कुछ है. इट्स अ ग्रेट प्लेस टू विजिट.
Videography is not allowed inside the museum, but you can definitely take pictures. So this is actually a lot to see in just ₹10. Also, this museum conducts some events, exhibition, workshops, etc. which you can attend.
ये कला भूमि का सोवेनियर शॉप है जहाँ से आप कुछ सामान खरीद सकते हो अगर आपको कुछ लेना है तो.
This also has a cute cafe called Boca Cafe just at the parking. If you like this video, do let me know in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my cute channel and stay tuned. Bye.